Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the phone and finger. Clean the sensor and your fingertip so the scanner reads consistently. Once done, open Settings, go to Security and choose Fingerprint. You'll tap the sensor repeatedly, use firm, even pressure and vary the angle slightly to capture edges. Make sure to register the same finger 2 to 3 times, focusing on both center and side impressions. This builds a more reliable template and reduces future recognition errors. Now deepen the template by repeating enrollments that capture edges and angles. You'll lift and reposition your finger 10 to 15 times, covering top, bottom, left, and right edges so the sensor learns variations. Make sure you set a secure PIN or pattern as backup and enable fingerprint unlock for apps and payments if desired. Once done, verify the phone case or screen protector doesn't misalign the sensor. A thin, well-fitted protector keeps readings consistent and avoids false failures. Finish by testing unlock reliability. Perform 5 to 10 normal unlock attempts across varied grips. If you see more than one failure in 5 tries, retrain that finger immediately or re-enroll it from scratch to refresh the template. If problems persist despite cleaning and re-enrollment, update the system software and try again. Persistent failures can mean sensor damage. Use authorized service for hardware checks. As a quick tip, keep the sensor dry and free of.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.